to INSSA Korea, and I'm Sohee. So I'm from Hong Kong, but I now live in Korea. And today I'm going to compare if the IKEA in Korea is the same as the one in Hong Kong. I'm actually really excited about the meatballs because I absolutely love it, and I kind of missed it really. So I'm going to eat my meatballs and to see if people sit in IKEA, because in Hong Kong people do. You know, like, make it your home because it kind of feels like home. And let me take a picture of this because it just looks nice and maybe Instagrammable.
What's your problem, Kuwabara? You don't like croissants? Oh, stupid name, but they taste good.
Escalator. Nikia is now doing a hiding, looking for some inspiration. Let's look at the menu now. We have pasta, 연어, meatball, 버거, 립, 샐러드. Let's queue up for food. There's so many people out there. That's what I finally got. 튀김, 머핀, 스콘, pie, and you have more here with sauce. And queue up again, 줄을 서다. Let's find a seat. mashed potato, 초콜릿 케이크, 베리 주스. It's a perfect day for a family gathering. And don't forget to put back your own trays here. Let's start our journey of looking at some furniture. We're not looking for a particular thing, but 베개, cotton, there are so many choices here. But I always think that plain colors work better. Okay, baby stuff. Carpet. These are much more expensive than I expected. And washroom. And some boho items here. With baskets, 바구니. I've been wanting to add one of these to my room for a boho vibe, but my husband said, oh, these are like for farmers, and I just rolled-eyed at him. With GwangMyeong. I really like these. Do you guys prefer the yellow ones or the white ones? Actually, both of them looks great. 그림. If I were to get one, I think I would get a minimalistic one. Black and white, colorful ones. 식물. They also have a lot of varieties here. I definitely recommend the fake plants if you're not really that good at planting. There are food literally everywhere in IKEA, tempting me to eat again. This is a huge storage area. Inside these, anyone? Perfect for camping. Let's get out of here. It's time to kill up again. Okay, it's a self-checkout one, which is perfect because I just have two carpets. Pink carpet and white carpet. I just really love fluffy carpets. They have the supermarket here with all the food. Have oat milk, juice and coffee. Salmon, berry jam, raspberry jam, snack. Oh god. It's really a nice day. And this is how GwangMyeong looks.
I think the most impressive part of the IKEA in Korea has to be the food part. Because other than the meatballs that I was looking for, they have some really Korean style dishes. I think it's really a nice mix, like a fusion of food, because they have like kimchi, right? And IKEA. So that just shows you how much Koreans love their kimchi, I think. And the other food that I really find amazing is the ribs. They do have ribs there, kimchi fried rice, and they have, well, mashed potatoes, of course, with the famous raspberry jam, salmon, spaghetti, pasta. So yeah, quite a lot of variety to choose from. And on the furniture part, I see like some really hot items because I was really gonna go for like the bohemian, the boho style when decorating my house at some point. So I was really looking into those lamps, you know. Honestly, it's like a must when you want to create that vibe. So I found those lamps and I found those nice little decorations and like the cushions and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, my point of going there really is not for shopping, so I guess I just kind of window shopped this time. But overall, it was a big space, I feel like, and I really enjoyed walking inside. Hope you enjoyed the tour in Korea's IKEA. Let me know if the IKEA in your country look the same as in what is in Korea. Also, do like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.